Android 17 finally built in support for the LHDC Bluetooth Audio Codec, but it's not something that is enabled right off the bat because you have to go in and manually switch over to that specific codec before the operating system will use it. And today, I'm going to show you how that's done. LHDC stands for Low Latency, High Definition Audio Codec, and it allows for high resolution audio streaming over Bluetooth. Since Android 10, OEMs have had the ability to add this to their own firmware, and some of them have. But with the launch of Android 17, Savitech and Google have finally integrated the actual native source library directly into the core AOSP Bluetooth stack. So now, you just have to own a pair of Bluetooth headphones or a Bluetooth speaker that actually supports this codec. And once you have that, you can then switch to the LHDC codec on Android. But first, we need to enable developer mode. This is usually done by tapping on the build number entry within the settings app around 7 to 10 times. And you can usually find this in the About Phone section, but let me know if you're having trouble accessing it. Once it has been enabled, find the newly revealed Developer Options menu, and then begin looking for the dedicated Bluetooth menu. Remember, you'll need Android 17 installed before you see this. But in this submenu, you'll see a Bluetooth audio codec option. And when you tap on it, you will finally be able to switch to it. With this feature enabled, you can even bring up the sampling rate to 96 kilohertz too. If you can't find this option, or if the menu is grayed out, then it's probably due to the compatibility of the Bluetooth device that you're using, because you cannot even access this audio codec menu unless the smartphone or tablet is paired to a Bluetooth headset or a speaker. And you'll only see the LHDC as a selectable option if your earbuds or your speaker actually supports the codec. Brands like FIIO, Hi-Fi Man, and DA&T make some high-end standalone speakers that support this codec. Then there are the OnePlus Buds Pro 3, and even certain nothing ear models that also support the codec. Now, this is not an exhaustive list of the brands to look for, but if you're interested in this improved audio experience, then pay attention to the supported codecs the next time that you're in the market for a Bluetooth headset.